Hello everyone, I'm your Excel guy today. I'm going to show you how to move one particular column to a designated column place in a very simple way. So for instance, if you are tasked as a normal user to move this column, for instance column D data to column B, what a normal user will do will actually go to the column B, insert sheet column, then take this, then copy, then paste. Okay, this is it, but for my case this is not the way of doing it, because imagine you have a lot of columns to move and you have a lot of data. That means this is a time wasting. Because I'm your Excel tips and tricks guy, I'm going to show you in a very simple way. So how are we going to do it? Let me first undo all these steps and let us get our hands dirty. So for my case, I'll move it again. So in order to do this, to move it very fast, you need just only to press of the buttons shift plus left click. So for my case, I want to move this. Make sure you select, hold the shift button, then on your mouse make sure you press a left click. By holding it up, then you can hover around where you want to put it, for instance here. Then upon releasing it, bingo, there you are. So if you want to move it right away, that means you need to press again shift, hover around, left click, then get it where it is. For instance, you can take it here back or put it here in the middle. So upon releasing it, just like that. So this is the way of doing it. If you're an Excel Pro, make sure you do the same. After watching this video, you can press the like button or put a comment if there's anything you want, maybe for like Excel, like know-how or any other like data manipulation. Make sure you subscribe, because I'll be dropping more videos of the caliber. Thank you a lot.